If you're a serious gardener, then the next 2 minutes are for you. We get it. You're not the average green thumb. You don't just have one tomato plant in the corner of your yard. You've got raised beds, greenhouses, and a specific planting schedule, which is why you deserve the Harper. This boot is purpose-built for enthusiasts like you. We've designed the Harper around our tried and true rubber construction, which is wrapped around a comfortable Neotech bootie. Neotech is our waterproof neoprene package that keeps you dry while also managing internal moisture. You'll notice the build quality of the Harper as soon as you pick them up. Unlike those cheap throwaway clogs that you see at the supermarket, a neoprene rubber boot gives you 2 different layers of protection for long-lasting durability. But BOGS doesn't just hang its hat on being durable. Every style has to be all-day comfortable as well. That's why we've included our bio-based rebound insole. Now these insoles create amazing energy return that won't break down as the day goes on. And underneath, you've got a BOGS grip rubber outsole that has a do-it-all tread design and a 90-degree heel, which makes shovel work way more comfortable. The internal steel shank also provides some additional support when you're doing more heavy lifting. We also pride ourselves in delivering easy on and easy off designs. So the flexible openings and pull tabs make pulling them on and off really easy. We also have these great heel lugs so you can take them off without getting your hands dirty. The Harper comes in this Chelsea height here, and it also comes in this low profile slip-on. Not to mention all these great colors. So your flowers aren't going to be the only thing popping in the backyard. The Harper truly is designed to keep you drier and more comfortable no matter what part of the season you're in. So ignore those rubber clogs that you see at the supermarket and take your backyard hobby to the next level with the Harper.